Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Gmail account without using a phone number. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Google Chrome and sign out of your current account, and you will be on this type of page. Here, choose Create Account and select For My Personal Use. Enter your first name and last name, then click Next. Complete the basic information, such as your birthday and gender, and click Next again. Now, create a Gmail address for signing into your Google account. If the address you choose is invalid, try a different one until you find one that works, then click Next. Create a strong password and click Next. You'll see an option to add a phone number. Skip to create your Gmail account without a phone number. If you don't see the skip option, you can use a temporary phone number. Search for temp number in your browser. Find a website that offers temporary phone numbers from various countries. Choose a number and copy it. Paste this number into the phone number field on the Gmail sign-up page. Ensure the temporary number hasn't reached its limit for receiving SMS messages. Once you find a valid number, complete the process by copying and pasting it. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create a Gmail account without using a phone number. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.